Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. Let us see a term called Management Information System, or in short MIS. So what is MIS? They are the system that is a study of people, technology, organization and the relationship among them. MIS professionals help organization realize maximum benefit from investment in personal equipment and business processes. MIS is people-oriented field with an emphasis on service through technology. Businesses use information system at all levels of operation to collect, process and store data. Management aggregates and disseminates this data in the form of information needed to carry out the daily operation of a business. Everyone who works in the business, from someone who pays the bill to the person who makes the employment decision, uses some form of information system. A car dealership could use a computer database to keep track of which products sell best. A retail store might use computer-based information system to sell products over internet. In fact, many, if not most businesses concentrate on alignment of MIS with business goals to achieve competitive advantage over other businesses. MIS professional create information system for data management, that is storing, searching and analyzing data. In addition, they manage various information systems to meet the need of managers, staff and customers. By working collaboratively with the various members of their work group as well as with their customers, clients, these professionals are able to play a key role in areas such as information security, integration, and exchange. As an MIS major, you will design to learn, implement, and use business information system in innovative way to increase the effectiveness and efficiency of your organization. Thanks for watching. Bye.